If you're shopping for a home today, you know it's kind of hard work. You might not find something right away, and it's easy to get fatigued. Sometimes buyers get discouraged and say, let me take off a few months. Maybe I'll come back 6 months later. Here's the thing. While you can take off time, the market isn't taking time off. And it's hot right now in your area of Placer County. The forecasted appreciation is 2.32% in just the next 6 months. Let's quantify that. A home worth $497,000 today, the median home price, would be worth $11,600 more in 6 months. Additionally, if you were planning on putting the same percent down, you would have to borrow more because the home is more expensive. And how about interest rates? Even though interest rates are very attractive levels, does it make sense to wait for rates to go down further? No. The monthly savings with a lower rate are nice, but are dwarfed by the missed appreciation and amortization, paying yourself principal. And it would take many, many years to recoup what you would have lost. Should rates drop significantly, we can always refinance you in the future. Stick with it, keep shopping, and you will find something. I'm James Graff, and that's this week's Mortgage Minute, brought to you by Advisors Mortgage Group. Thank you for listening thus far. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Thanks again.